Well, it's 6:30 a.m. on Thursday, and I'm sitting at the plant, fixing to open up the gate. Tired, not too bad. Brought my Switch today because I know I'm gonna sit here all damn day. I hate coming to this place, but not a lot you can do about it, so it just kind of is what it is. Assuming I'm gonna end up being here till noon or 2 o'clock, and then go run and do a couple other things. Friday we should be taking a load up to Hagersville to a farm. They don't really work here at this plant on Friday, so I know I'll have a little bit of free time. So I'm hoping to be able to take somebody up there in the other dump truck with me, and then we can drop 2 loads, come back, be back in town by 2 or 3, go preload both the other trucks, and then I'll take one on Saturday and one on Sunday. And they only need 4 loads up there, so it's a 5 or 6 hour round trip. I don't know what that noise is. So it takes, a fair bit of the day. Oh, there's a reach lift over here. Trying to figure out what in the world the noise was, but there's a reach lift over to my right, and he's moving around. So I like going up there every so often. I don't like doing it back to back, but it's kind of nice, so I've been enjoying it. And I'll do that over the weekend while Ashley's at the game, and then go up there once on Sunday. We're getting Friday off no matter what. It's Memorial Day, I think. Yeah, Memorial Day. So nobody's working. The boss wants to take the boat out on the lake. We'll see if I end up going with him or not. But man, didn't want to get up this early, but wasn't up all night with Ashley, so it's not going to be too bad of a day today. So we'll see how it develops. And I won't be able to have take any video here in the plant, so you guys don't get to see any of it. And I can't. I've gotten busted a couple of times, but soon enough I'll be back. The only bad part about this dump truck, wound all the way out, 65, 67, that's about it. It's also very loud in here. She's cooking at that RPM. Man, I got like 100 of them. It's things you should or shouldn't do in life, in general. It's like if you had a kid and you're giving him advice, what would you tell him?
I'll just say the one I just said then, I guess.
So Jared, what is the wisdom of the day?
Don't sweat the petty things and don't pet the sweaty things.
Shit. No more fun for Saturday night.
Shit, no.
Yeah. We'll go home, I guess. I got stuff to do.
Going home my ass.
Jesus Christ! I thought you were in the truck waiting.
Well, the dump truck had a flat tire on it when I was in the plant, so I went and dropped it off and had Jared go get me and bring me back to my pickup. So now it's what, 8 o'clock, and I went and picked the dump truck up, and I'm taking it home because I'm going out in the middle of nowhere in the morning. But it might be raining really bad in the morning, so I might not be going out there. We'll have to just kind of see how all that's going to end up working out. But for now, I'm in the old truck, headed back over to the apartment, call it a night. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.